everyone, it's Dr. Christina Van Morsel here from Lake Union Wellness. This week's blog is on self-adjusting. I'll go through all the reasons why it's not a very good idea to self-adjust. For one, you can actually cause a lot more harm than benefit. But it is also a great idea to get adjusted by a healthcare professional. I'll also go through all of the benefits in the blog below, so go ahead, read the blog, and if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and give our office a call. Look forward to seeing you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.